In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a HP and Y printer with ink cartridge problems. When you see any kind of ink cartridge problem, your printer will not print anything, and you will also see there is a orange light stable on the front of the printer and one light is flashing on the right hand side on this corner. You will also see the error is 0 or maybe any other error regarding this printer. So that means we have to fix the issue regarding the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to open the lid. So lift it up from this side. Open the ink from here. What happens sometimes there are chips that reads the ink cartridge and the reading doesn't work properly in case if there is anything stuck or if your ink cartridge is not that much clean. So what we do here, we will just clean this area. You can use a glove and you can also use a tissue paper. If you have a cotton glove, you can use that. You can also use the alcohol wipe. Just rub it on this section and remove the another ink cartridge and remove this, rub it from here. So it will make the contact clear. Also look at the ink cartridge and just clean this area. You might see, we can see here some color has come up, so that means some color was there creating a problem. Now we can reinstall it. Do it same with the color ink cartridge. This happens when you are using the same ink cartridge over the long time and you are refilling ink, so these points may get dirty and it has debris on that. So once we clean it and reinstall, now we can close this section and we'll wait if the light still stays there or not. We can see printer light is normal, back to normal. That means we can start using our printer. So that's the easy fix. In case you have installed a wrong ink cartridge, make sure you match the correct number and install the correct ink cartridge. Thanks for watching.